how to fit any armor to your character, and also rig it in Blender and use it in Unity. First, rig your base character with Mixamo. Then import your armor. Resize it so it fits your characters as closely as possible. Select your armor and go to Sculpt mode. Search for the Grab tool. Use it to stretch and adjust the armor so it fits your character better. After you're done, return to Object mode. With the armor selected, go to Modifiers, Add Modifier, Data Transfer. Use the eyedropper to select your character mesh. Then enable Vertex Data and select Vertex Group. For mapping, choose Nearest Face Interpolated. Under Topology Mapping, set Ray Radius to 5. Then click Generate Data Layers, and from the drop-down, select Apply. Next, add another modifier, Deform Armature. Using eyedropper, select the Mixamo rig. Then first select the armor, hold Ctrl, and click the armature. Right-click and choose Parent Object. Done! Finally, export your model as an FBX file. Drag and drop it into Unity and use it like any other models. Thanks for watching.